In this video, I'll show you how to reset your Binance account password in just a few easy steps. Start by going to the official Binance.com website and click on Login. If you're using the Binance app, tap Sign Up or Log In instead. Next, enter the email address or phone number linked to your Binance account and click Next. If you've enabled passkeys on your account, you'll be asked to verify with your passkey. If you don't have access to your passkey, click Cancel and select My Passkeys Are Not Available. Now, click on Forgot Password. Before continuing, read the notes carefully. For security reasons, withdrawals, P2P selling, and payment services will be temporarily disabled for 24 hours after you reset your password. Once you understand that, click Continue to proceed. Complete all the required security verifications. If you don't have access to your passkeys or your two-factor authentication devices, you can follow Binance's guide on how to reset to FA when you can't access your account after verification. Create a new password. Make sure your new password has at least 8 characters, includes one number, and one uppercase letter. Click Confirm when you're done, and that's it. Your password has been successfully reset. You can now log back into your Binance account using your new password. Just keep in mind that withdrawals and P2P transactions will remain disabled for 24 hours for your security.